Hello, this is the Water Doctor, and we're going to talk to you about a product that U.S. Water has sold for maybe 10 or 15 years, and that is the Green Wave salt-free water conditioning system. We discontinued that system in 2017, but if you're watching this video, it probably means that you've had one in your house, or you have one in your house, and it's time for some maintenance. Well, guess what? We're not going to leave you hanging. In fact, we've got a better alternative for upgrading your media and refurbishing your existing Green Wave system. You don't have to buy a new system, and we're going to tell you how that works. There's really two models that we had of the Green Wave. We had the Green Wave Cascade, which was a pre-filter that was a 4.5 by 10 or 4.5 by 20 radial flow carbon pre-filter, and then we had what's called the scale prevention tank. When we first started this, we used what's called template assisted crystallization, or TAC. And then the last few years we switched over to NAC, or nucleation assisted crystallization, which was SP3 media made by Pulsar. While this worked very good for a while, it wasn't the best in the world. We had some failures, we had some successes. And so as time goes on, we came out with a new method called the Lime Blaster. But this isn't about the Lime Blaster so much as it's about how you can take your existing Green Wave system and upgrade it to something that includes a Lime Blaster at a lower price than what it would cost you to replace the NAC or the TAC media inside. So look up and see which model that you have, and then you can look at the video for the Green Wave Cascade or the Green Wave Plus, and we'll tell you how to refurbish it at a much lower cost than just buying the new media, which is very, very expensive.